Oh, they were not joking when they said they were you. Oh. I have a problem, and my problem is that I have a big cardboard box right behind me. Although it's super functional, it serves as a charging station, charging like, I have my Alexa on there, handheld vacuum cleaner, I have my wireless microphone, wireless headset, earbuds. It's great, but it doesn't look good. Right now, my camera needs to be a little higher than my monitor. That's the little line you're gonna see here, which means inevitably it has to point down, and from time to time, you'll be able to see that box, which is like the box for my electric scooter. So I've been thinking about different types of decoration, and one that I want to try, which is going to be temporary, and you'll see why, is giant balloons, giant white balloons, hoping that somehow it will have a result that looks decent. So the goal here is to basically put enough balloons in front of the cardboard box so that you don't see it anymore, and then some on top of it, or maybe I'll stick them to the wall so that I still have that little shelf thing, and that way I'll have a bunch of giant balloons behind me. So that's the temporary aspect. Balloons, inflated balloons are not gonna last forever, which leads us to the silliest thing I probably ever had to buy, an electric balloon pump. So we're gonna unbox it and test it with my giant white balloons. Hopefully everything goes well. So I bought this on Amazon. It wasn't too expensive. The balloon pump, that is. The balloons are a little too expensive in my taste. I'll put the prices up here. Look at that. Oh, that's it? What do you mean this works with batteries? I hope there's a cord somewhere. I hope I can plug it somewhere. I don't have batteries like that. Quick start guide and nothing else. All right, we have a quick how to inflate balloon right there. Why is it so heavy? Oh, there's a pump in there. Power button here, multiple things here, there, I don't know yet. And then one there. Okay, little grippy things at the bottom. Grippy feet. Try to open this. There's a cable. Let's go. European cable. That's perfect for me. This doesn't take batteries at all. So when you're putting it away, you can just take the cord and just close it. Anyways, this is the inflation port, and it has a little switch. I don't know if you can hear that. So basically you put the balloon over it, you push while the balloon is on it, it's gonna, and then you release and it stops. That's cool. So my guess for now is that this is continuous air if you turn the switch on, and this is temporary air if you click and turn it on, basically. All right, let's have a look at our balloons. So those are supposed to be like 35 inches. I don't really speak in inches, so I'm still adjusting to that. Oh God. Oh, they were not joking when they said they were you. Oh. What? I've never seen this in my life. What is this? Yo, this is the size of my face for comparison. All right, now I wonder how noisy it's gonna be. I have it plugged in. First of all, practical, pass the cord there. Close this little thing. That's pretty nice. So button here, I just need to not panic. It's probably gonna vibrate. Damn. Okay, so when you switch it on, it's loud, loud. Loud vacuum cleaner loud. That's how loud it is. Okay, cool. And if I press this one, okay, so I was right. I was right. The whole, I don't think like they had this in mind, this size in mind when they were making this thing. So I don't know how I'm gonna, there's no way I can hold this over it. It's deflating. I can't hold it. Also, I don't like having my head right next to it while doing it. Probably like not the max, but I'm too scared. Look at that. It can't even fit in frame. Thankfully, I have this thing that I've been keeping for years. Sitting directly on the floor, it doesn't cover enough. But having it a little bit up would be perfect. So I don't know, maybe I'll put some cardboard underneath it because I really wanted to cover at least the cardboard part, like at least the box. I was a bit more brave with the size now. And there it is. It's not as clean as I thought it would be. Obviously, there's gonna be gaps. And I was really upset when I saw there's still like cardboard. I thought, oh, I'm gonna have to put something white on it. But then I remembered that I'm gonna be here the whole time. We're fine. We're absolutely fine. Now, cool thing is I have a little bit of space behind the cardboard because it's like open up with the flaps like that. Also, my camera is never zoomed out that much. In that little space behind the cardboard, I was able to put a little bit of a RGB projector, and that looks like that. Okay, so the light doesn't penetrate as much as I would want it to, but it's not too bad. I'll probably test with more colors, more color combinations, because of course I can still, you know, have my normal colors, at least for this channel, that is. And if I want more of that like specular marks, I could also, watch this. That's kind of wild. Okay, so now I have it fading between 7 colors. I can probably adjust my camera so that it's not that bright. Still super bright. Okay, I guess that's the look you gotta be stuck with. It's so bright. It's really not that bright in real life. Oh wait, maybe I have some effects on my camera. That's rough though. That's rough. It's still way too bright. I would have to really turn my front light. Oh, it's blinding. Yeah, I guess overblown is the only option we really have. All right, so this is how I plan on having it zoomed in. I usually use this webcam here to hide this projector conveniently like that. Not bad. Now this is this channel lighting. On my main channel, I usually have purple on one side and teal or cyan on the other one. Sorry, I'm sweating so much, it's so hot. For the ones that are directly on the wall, that are up top like that, I actually used tape to put it directly on the wall, still attached to a string, but hopefully it won't move too much. So bottom ones have the string, they're stapled to the cardboard. Overall, I'd say it's pretty good. As the review for the balloon pump, it works flawlessly, really. It's as loud as a vacuum cleaner. It's not too loud, really, like not more than a vacuum cleaner. But yeah, it's far from silent, so keep that in mind. The air is actually hot. Also keep that in mind. There were points where I was a little worried that I might get burnt. I don't think it gets that hot, but there's a little bit of that feeling in there, so watch out for that. I would not use the continuous at all. You can see the air. Oh my God. So yeah, if you'd like to buy the balloons or the balloon pump, there will be links in the description. I ordered 10 of them, which means I still have a couple. But yeah, my guess is in 3 days, this is all gonna come down. But I'm glad I explored the concept to see how it would actually look like. And I kind of like it. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty cool. Maybe for a booth at like an event or something like that would be perfect because it's temporary. But yeah, we'll probably test more stuff to just decorate in the future. My dream is to have like some full walls where I can just decorate every week. I think that would be pretty awesome. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.